So, yeah, this customer brought this car in today for bodily fluid disinfecting service. He went and had the car cleaned. I told him they threw up in the car and they did the cleaning, but they didn't do the cleaning. So, it's definitely going to the floorboard. We have to take the seats out.
There was some throw up in my car. Took it to a regular detail place. Didn't do the work correctly.
What's going on? What's going on?
I'm extracting.
He's extracting the styrofoam pad to remove the matter, so he's disinfecting the area as well as shampooing the bottom of the carpet.
You guys took apart the door, cleaned the carpet, took off the carpet, found other stains, and now I'm happy. Found you guys on the internet, Google. Smell is gone, and I'll use you guys in the future for anything else I need. Thank you guys so much. XLNC Auto Beauty.
XLNC Auto Beauty.